welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change preferred web browser in Slack. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, close the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, DMs and Activities at the bottom of the screen, while at the top left corner, you're gonna find your workspaces. If you tap on it, then go to Preferences. You can see options like Accessibility, Languages, Advanced, App Icon, Privacy and Visibility, etc. You have to go ahead and tap on Advanced. There you can see almost at the end of your screen, there's Web Browser option. Tap on it. Then you're gonna be able to select your preferred web browser right there. And guys, that's it. That's how you change preferred web browser in Slack. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.